ये ऐसी प्रोफाइल होती है जहाँ पे है ना, इन अ रियल सेंस आपका एमबीए फाइनेंस एक टेस्टिंग के लिए रखा जाता है। मतलब आपने जो भी पढ़ा है, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस आपने जो भी करा है, वो जेन्युइनली जॉब पे टेस्ट होता है कि भाई तुमको जेन्युइनली वो आता है या नहीं आता है।
Certification is the main thing which any finance who is interviewing you, he just checks your certification. He asks you question based on the certifications only.
यही मैटर करता
So
है।
this is the main thing. And अगर VBS की बात करने जाए तो professors are best.
Hi guys, welcome to this podcast. This is about MBA finance, by the way. I have Apoorva Nadkarni with me. Hi Apoorva, welcome on board.
Hello, how are
Hi,
you?
Apoorva is from VBS, which is Vivekananda Business School. The reason to interview Apoorva is she has been able to get the core finance profile, and it's one of the most important profile मेरे ख्याल से अभी आजकल देखा जाए तो ये प्रोफाइल काफी ज्यादा valuable हुआ है, looking at the growth of the economy. So she got into the credit analysis wala profile, and यार credit analysis wala profile, just to give you a background, is kind of one of the cream profile अगर हम बात करेंगे, because this has always been said that कि credit analysis वाला जो profile होता है ना, it has been given to chartered accountants and so on and so forth, right? Somebody who has done with the CA or somebody who has IPCC cleared या फिर जिसका last round CA का clear है, and we have Apoorva who's got that profile. Apoorva, welcome on board. And how does it feel यार कि एक core profile मिल गया जहाँ पे MBA finance बोला जाता है कि sales में ज्यादा है? How does it feel यार?
It's really great, something I always wanted, and it is like I cannot express my feelings towards it because coming from back BCom and just giving coming from research analyst profile and then going into credit analysis is something very different. I
Right.
enjoyed this role. It's very good.
Are you a fresher?
Yes, I'm a fresher.
Great. So अगर आप देखोगे यार, being a fresher, getting into credit analysis is a really, really cool thing. Now, would you mind giving us a little about the company name and a bit about company ka profile?
Yeah, Unity. I have got placed into Unity Small Finance Bank. Unity Small Finance Bank has taken over PMC, which we all know, Punjab Maharashtra
Maharashtra
Cooperative Bank.
Hmm.
Yeah, so Unity Small Finance Bank is a digital bank, first digital bank in India,
Okay.
and they are good into three things, that is secure loans, unsecured loans, and digital banking, which is yet going to be launched. So secure loans is something which we take on basis of collateral, and unsecured loan is not on the basis of collateral. So I have been placed as secured loan credit analyst.
Okay. Great. जहाँ पे you will be checking the credit worthiness of a client, right? You'll be
Yes,
going
yes,
through all the documents. You'll be checking the financial
yes.
statements. You'll be checking the
Ratios, financial
background and
ratios.
financial
Yes,
ratios and probably the credit score and everything, right?
yes.
Fine. So guys, ये ऐसी प्रोफाइल होती है जहाँ पे है ना, इन अ रियल सेंस आपका एमबीए फाइनेंस एक टेस्टिंग के लिए रखा जाता है। मतलब आपने जो भी पढ़ा है, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस आपने जो भी करा है, वो जेन्युइनली जॉब पे टेस्ट होता है कि भाई तुमको जेन्युइनली वो आता है या नहीं आता है। तो this is one of the best profile in finance, Apoorva, अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, I've spent a lot of time in finance and credit analysis is one of the best profile in finance, and इसका growth काफी ज्यादा आगे होता है because देखो सिंपल सी बात है, जब तक दुनिया है तब तक बैंक्स रहेंगे, और जब तक बैंक से लोगों को लोन लेना जरूरी है, बिकॉज लोन देने के बाद ही बैंक्स को पैसे जनरेट होते हैं। तो ये सिलसिला चलते रहेगा एंड क्रेडिट एनालिसिस का रोल और भी आगे जाके बढ़ता रहेगा। So you can switch into big multinational companies eventually, and you're a fresher. You're very young. 5 साल का work ex, by the time you're 26, 27, you will be actually leading a team, in credit analysis domain. And you were talking about some perks, right? Would you mind talking about that?
Yeah, actually, Unity Small Finance Bank also gives us many perks. Like now being placed, there are level 5 in which Unity provides us. I am directly placed to level 2, that is manager's role. So there are many roles, and as we if I give my CAIIB exam, I would be getting increment. There are increments. There are many perks, like I can say petrol allowance, newspaper allowance, or many such allowances.
Wow. And you're placed as a deputy manager, if I'm not wrong?
No, credit analyst role.
Credit analyst. Acha, but at a management level.
Yes, level 2.
Nice. That is good. That is really good. That's really good. And how the path will go? Designation कैसे बढ़ेगा आगे?
based on your work experience, like how you work there, your performance, and even if you give side by side the exams, it's like
हाँ,
CIIB, JIIB exams.
right, ये काफी मैटर करता है by the way. And the perks are going to be really good. मतलब आपके खर्चे काफी कम होंगे and आपका
और
in-hand salary mostly आपका saving में चलेगा. Good. And काफी मैं देख रहा हूँ, मैं VBS पे काफी रिसर्च भी कर रहा हूँ एंड लास्ट ईयर भी मैंने काफी वीडियोस बनाए थे. समझ में ये आ रहा है कि यार VBS की जो फाइनेंस वाली जो फैकल्टीज है वो काफी फाड़ है. दैट इज नंबर 1. एंड नंबर 2, आई एम नॉट गोना टॉक अबाउट द पैकेजेस, बट आई थिंक मुझे लगता है फाइनेंस वाले बच्चों को पैकेज बाद में दिखता है. सबसे पहले दिखता है कि भाई रोल बताओ, पहले कोर
100%.
फाइनेंस रोल दो, पैकेज हम ले लेंगे, पैकेज आगे जाके ग्रो हो जाएगा. ये दो चीजें मैं काफी देख रहा हूँ जो VBS के काफी फेवर में है. सो लाइक गुड फैकल्टीज एंड गुड रोल्स. You want to talk a bit about faculties at VBS for
Yeah,
finance?
100%. It is like यहाँ पे सब मैटर करता है तो फैकल्टी कैसे सिखाते हैं. एट लास्ट स्टूडेंट अपने आप से ही पढ़ते हैं, बट फैकल्टीज यहाँ पे ना encourage you like to write research papers, and they help in publishing it into international conferences. Like our colleges also organize international conference, and they publish it there, as well as they publish it into other international conferences as well. They organize many certification courses, like NISM was being provided to us. So many such courses are being provided. They overall they give you glimpses of what is finance. Even if you are not from the finance background, right? Many of our students are not from the finance background. They come from engineering background as well. पर उनको ना उतना मतलब सर्टिफिकेशंस करने के बाद ना थोड़ा बहुत ये मिल जाता है कि करना क्या है बाद में. हाँ.
And certifications free में करवाते हैं ना, they don't charge you extra money.
No, they don't. No, they don't.
That is a very good thing, by the way. So again, I always keep saying this, that if you're looking at a tier 2 B school, and if you really want to get into a B school at a little lower percentile, I think VBS is a very, very good option. जहाँ पे will get kind of good roles as far as finance is concerned, because finance काफी mostly लोग कहते हैं finance is like more towards sales and all that, but मिलने वाले बच्चों को core profiles मिल जाती है जैसे आपको है ना. Cool यार. Anything that you want to talk about before we close this session about VBS, या फिर any advice for students who are gunning for MBA finance?
First thing is plan from the scratch, like what you want to do. अगर मेरे को कोई मतलब मेरे फैमिली में तो कोई ऐसे नहीं है फ्रॉम फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड की जो गाइडेंस दे, पर इट वाज लाइक अगर गाइडेंस मिल जाता तो और भी अच्छा हो सकता था. पर इट इज लाइक पहले से स्क्रैच से चालू करो, सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज करो. वन थिंग इज मेन, बिल्ड योर रेज्यूमे द बेस्ट. सब कुछ है ना रेज्यूमे के बेसिस पे ही है, सब कुछ रेज्यूमे पे दिखता है. सर्टिफिकेशन इज द मेन थिंग विच एनी फाइनेंस who is interviewing you, he just checks your certification, he asks you question based on the certifications only.
यही मैटर करता है.
So this is the main thing. And अगर VBS की बात करने जाए तो professors are best, I can say, for finance.
For finance.
Rest I don't know because I'm not gone through them.
हाँ, of course, उधर जाने की जरूरत भी नहीं है because हमने finance पढ़ा है तो finance is what gonna matter a lot.
And they're very supportive. They saying they are बहुत supportive. मतलब अगर रात को भी कॉल करेंगे ना तो बता देंगे, हेल्प कर देंगे.
That is good. That is good. There are some real good companies on the campus. Students are getting placed in ICICI banks and all that. Now you got into Unity. Again, a credit analyst role is one of the fabulous role. Again, getting at a management level is again a very good kind of a push towards your career. So guys, it doesn't really matter. तुम्हारा CMAT में क्या परसेंटाइल है, तुम्हारा CET में क्या परसेंटाइल है. एक कॉलेज मैटर करता है जो आपको एक काइंड ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म दे, एंड उस प्लेटफॉर्म को आप अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करो, जैसे अपूर्वा ने करा, wherein she worked hard towards her finance का concepts. She did a lot of certifications and she nailed it in the interview and she got through credit analyst का role. और ये रोल आगे जाके आपको काफी हाई लेवल पे लेके जाएगा, because credit analysis ना एक बैंक की जान होती है, because अगर वो गलत गया तो भाई पूरा बैंक डूब सकता है. So काफी ज्यादा भाव होते हैं क्रेडिट एनालिस्ट वालों के. हमने देखा है बैंक्स में काफी ज्यादा एक फुटेज भी मिलता है. So perks तो आपने बात करा, definitely that's good. So yeah, I think it was a short and sweet interview. Apoorva, thank you so very much for joining us and giving बच्चा लोगों को थोड़ा सा idea about it. Thank you so very much. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.